Good morning, children. How are you? Today, I'm going to teach you English grammar, and that I'm going to teach you about the sentence. Now, children, before starting the video, just I want to ask you, or I want to tell you that in English alphabets there are total 26 letter, children, and in this 26 letter we know that 5 are vowels. Yes, what are they? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Yes, they are the vowels. And the remaining 21, they are the consonants. So children, we know that English is a funny language. Okay, we can also speak English very fluently. But for that, we should know the basic grammar, or I can say the correct grammar. We can use the grammar in the correct place and how to speak English, so we can also speak very fluent English. Now children, in this video, I am going to teach you about sentence. Now children, before telling you about sentence, first you should know that what do you mean by words? Yes, words are the group of letters. See children, like here if you can see on the slide in your screen that English is a word. So if you will see, English is a word, grammar is a word, the is a word, sentence is a word. So if you will see, the word is made from, actually it is made from the group of letters. Okay, so generally we can say words are the group of letters. So what do you mean by sentence? Yes children, sentence means the group of words. Like words mean group of letters, like that sentence means group of words. So, we can form many sentences, children, but it should be correct grammatically. Yes, like you should know how to make the sentence. So, in this video, we are going to study about that only, children. So, let's see the next slide, children. Yes, children, what it tells us about. Yes, if you will see this, just I will. Yes. So children, actually a sentence is a group of words. What a sentence is? Yes, a sentence is a group of words which arrange in the correct order that make a complete sense. Yes children, so sentence is a group of words. We can't arrange so many words together and we can't make any sentence. It should be correct. It should arrange correct and the order that which make a complete sense. Like I am writing a sentence but there is no sense, there is no complete sense, then it is not a sentence. So always remember that a sentence is a group of words which are arranged in the correct order that makes complete sense. Yes children, see the next point. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Always remember children that a sentence always starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Yes, so at the end we are putting full stops. So you should know that a sentence always, yes. Yes children, you should know that a sentence always, yes, if you will see, it always starts with a capital letter and it's end with a full stop. So when we are writing any sentence, the first letter should be capital. If it is not capital, it is not the correct sentence. It is not grammatically correct. Okay, and at the end, we are putting full stop. For example, children, see the examples. Abin loves reading comic books. If you will see the sentence, see the first letter, children. Yes, the first letter A. It is capital. Yes, children. And if you will see the sentence end with a full stop, children. Yes children, like that we are having So, and also the sentence, first sentence is making sense. Abin loves reading comic books. So Abin, A is capital and it makes complete sense that Abin loves reading comic books. And at last we can see the full stop. See the second sentence, my sister and I are going on a vacation. Okay, so you can see the first letter my, M is capital, and if you will see children, the sentence end with a full stop. So we can say that my sister and I are going on a vacation. Yes, so we can say that this is a complete sentence. It is making sense. That's why we will say it is a sentence. Is it clear to everyone? Now let's see the next part. Yes, children. See, now what you have to do, children, this is also in your English grammar and composition book. If you are having your book with you right now, just open your page number 13, then you will also understand it very easily. So take the group of words which are sentences. See, children, there are some group of words and you have to tell whether they are sentences or not. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Yes. Okay, so if you will see, yes, if you will see in your book also, children, here I wrote G capital, but actually it is small. Okay, so there is one printing mistake, that is gave. So what we will say? It is small G is there. So gave me a watch. So gave me a watch. See the first letter. It is capital. No, it is not capital. It is small. G is small. Huh? I by mistaken I have written G capital there. So actually it is small. Okay. So what we will say? That gave me a watch. Okay. So G-A-V-E. Gave me a watch. Who gave me a watch? It is not making any sense. So we will not say that it is a sentence. My own house. Again here if you will see here M is small. M is small. Okay. So we will say my own house. So it is not making any sense. Yes. So it is not a sentence. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Third one. Tina is going to the market. See the first letter is capital. And at last, at the end, we put full stop. And it is making a complete sense that Tina is going to the market. So, it is a sentence, we will say, children. So, gave me a watch is not a complete, it is not making a complete sense. My own house is also not making complete sense. Third one, Tina is going to the market. It is making a complete sense. That's why we will say it is a sentence. Going to rain today. What going to rain today? Okay, is it clear to you? And if you will see in your book also, G is small. So by mistaken, this is a printing mistake. So we can say G-O-I-N-G. Okay, so G-O-I-N-G, going. Okay, so going to rain today. See at the end it is a question mark. It is not full stop. So we will say it is also not a sentence. So we will say Tina is going to the market. It is making complete sense. That's why it is what? It is a sentence. Like that we are having so many examples. You can also solve it from yourself at your home. Now children, see the next one. Rewrite this group of words correctly to make meaningful sentences. What do you have to do, children, here? You have to rewrite this group of words correctly to make meaningful sentences. Okay, you know that a sentence starts with a capital letter. At the end, we are having full stop. Okay, so let's see. Yes, I yesterday saw car red a. So these are the group of words which are not arranged properly. We have to arrange them properly. So I, yes, first one is I saw a car. So we will say third number, a car. A red car, sorry, this is 4. A red car, 5 number. Okay. And this is 6th number. Now, see, I, second number, saw, a red car yesterday. Full stop. So it is making a complete sense, children. First letter is also capital. See the second sentence. 2, 2 and 4 make. So we will say T is capital A. So we will say 2 and 2 make 4. So 4 and this is 5. So we will say 2 and 2 make 4. Yes, this is making a complete sense. See the third one. A giraffe has a long neck. Yes, a giraffe has a long neck. So it is making again a complete sense. So like that, children, you have to solve this, all this question and answer from your own at your home. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me. Till then, hope you all understood it very well. Thank you.